Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make this leather tote bag handle. So get a keyboard. The width should be 1.5 inches while the length should be 32 inches. From the top, measure 2.5 inches, then draw a straight line across. After that, get the middle of the keyboard and draw a straight line downward to meet the 2.5 inches line. So what I basically did was to divide 1.5 inches into 2 and mark it out. So that was how I got the middle. Below the 2.5 inches line, count 3 lines on the tape and mark it out. Just watch what I'm doing. Count 3 lines on the tape and then mark it out. Next, we're going to cut out the keyboard following the line which we just drew. You can actually leave it like this. It's your choice. If you like this design, you can go ahead to wrap it with your leather. Then to make the design which I showed you at the beginning, you just have to use your scissors to cut an oval shape. For the second half, I'll just use these pieces which I cut out, flip it over to the other side and use a pen to draw out the curve so that it will be exactly the same as the other side. Now we are done with one part. Let's now transfer this shape on the second one, and to do that, place the line. Make sure both lines are aligning. Then use your biro to draw out. Use a biro to transfer the shape to the one under, then you cut it out. It's as simple as that. So the next step is to wrap it with leather. Apply gum on both the leather and the keyboard, then you gum them together. You will need 2 of these because it's very light. The next step is to gum both of them together and sew, but I prefer to make the head of one of them smaller than the second one, so the smaller one will be under the bigger one. Let's now head over to the sewing machine to sew it. So when sewing, don't sew the head of the handle. You're going to start sewing from the neck. So the reason why we're not sewing the head is because when attaching the handle to the body of the tote bag, you are going to sew it. So if you sew it now, there will be double stitch on the head and it won't look nice on the tote bag. So it's advisable for you to not sew that head part. Just start from the neck and sew it downward. So this is the final look, and we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching.